right, so y'all, we are getting ready to do what? Clean. Y'all, this, look y'all, it's almost taller than me. This is the duster that I purchased from Target. It's over 3 feet tall, so we are getting ready to do what? We're gonna dust. I'm telling you, see how these dusters is your ceiling fan? Reach up there with no problem. Reach up there with no problem. Now, what I am going to do, since I'm so darn short, I'm going to step up on my doggy's thing. Because I'm so short, so I can at least keep the ceiling fan still. Look, y'all, this works perfect. This works perfect, honey. Okay, and it gets all up in there. Y'all, I inherited this house from my grandparents, so I'm taking my time remodeling one thing at a time. Those of you who got a house, y'all know a house is a lot of work, but I'm doing it. So y'all could get y'all one of these. Hope y'all can see. Y'all go by Target and get y'all one of these dusters. Yeah, y'all get one of these dusters. Yeah. Okay. I love it, y'all. This is high quality. This one was $15. $15. Yeah. You'll love it. Make it so easy. Oh, that's good. That's good. Now, once you have your ceiling fan clean real good, y'all, boy, it puts out some good air. Okay, y'all, see how quick that was? That was quick. That was quick. That was quick. I clean in here, especially in here, every day. Every day I keep my house clean. I got things to repair, but I still keep it clean. Okay, I'm gonna get all up in there, up in there. Let me get all up in there. Get all up in there. All up in there. Yep, look y'all. It works perfect, okay? So get yours today at none other than Target. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please like,